Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Jimmy here with Toy Surprise Daily, and we're opening up and building Ninjago, Masters of Spinjitzu, the Kai Fighter. This is a really sweet looking ship. It sounds like TIE Fighter, but this does not look like a TIE Fighter at all. We have Kai riding here, fighting a Ninjroid. He's got this sweet axe. This thing converts to speed mode, which is super awesome. And we also have this exclusive Toys R Us pack with Grand Sensei Dareth fighting a Ninjroid. So, without further ado, let's get building. Alright, so it looks like bag 1 builds the base of the ship as well as our 2 minifigs, and bag 2 completes it off. Let's get going. So this is probably the coolest Ninjroid we've ever built. He's got this awesome suit of armor as well as, of course, custom helmet as they all have. And he looks like a total villain. Pretty awesome. And just gotta put his pants on. Check it out. So this guy has a backpack on his back that lets you put 2 swords in there. 2 katanas. That's really, really cool. I wish I could have done this when I was a kid. And to top it all off, as if his 2 katanas wasn't cool enough, he also has a giant gun. This thing is huge. Look how big this gun is. It's literally taller than Kai itself. Alright, these are our minifigs. The Ninjroid with the 2 katanas and a gun, and Kai with his sweet flame sword axe thing. Alright, and to finish it off, we've made these 2 side pieces, which just conveniently push in right here. And just like that, they line up, and they really flesh out the body of the ship. And that is bag number 1. Alright, now that we have one of the wings, we're going to see how it attaches to the main body, and it just sort of clicks on. It looks like it just sort of clicks on right here, which is really cool, because now we can see why this other piece is here, is that this thing is there to, this thing is there to help push it in and out and lock it into position. So, pull it out that way, it locks into position. The other way, locks it into the other position. And once we build the rest of it, this is going to be much more sturdy. So I'm going to put this over here. So, the cool thing about this piece that just hit here is that it locks down the 2 wings so that now you can move this without it popping out, and you have the wing rotation, because this piece here goes in and out. So you can either pull this piece out to make the wings move, like that, or you can make the wings move just by using it by your hands. But it's a little more flimsy, so I recommend just using this piece here. Alright, and these final pieces lock in here to make this super structurally sound. Very cool! So cool! Awesome. And then you just take this and you hook it into this little piece right here, and check it out. Now you have these awesome intake valves that air is gonna go through and fly through and make this thing turn into turbo mode and fly super fast. Really cool design. All right, so let's make the other half. All right, every single time you see this picture, you know what that means. It means we have projectiles. So these little missiles here can fire out if you just push them. And they're not the fastest firing missiles, but they are still pretty sweet. Also, check it out, these rotator rudders in the back here can tilt in and out depending on how fast you're going. We can have the Ninjroid trying to fire him down, but alas, it is of no use. As Kai charges in the battle and knocks him out. And on the way back, he decides to land. He puts his landing gears down and he goes back into non-fight position, I guess, or fight position. Actually, I think this is the slower version, and then all you have to do is tilt the wings back. And you turn into super speed. We'll put the Ninjroid on the wing for now, so you can hang out. All right, last thing we got is Grand Sensei Dareth fighting a Ninjroid. Just a cool little mini pack figure from Toys R Us. And there these two are. He's kicking this Ninjroid away as this one wields a little blade to try and fight him, but alas, Grand Sensei Dareth is too cool. All right, let's put all of our heroes onto our awesome ship to make a mega ship. This is the Mega Kai Fighter with Dareth rolling on top, going into speed mode. And oh no, the Ninjroids, they can't take the speed. Ah, they're popping off. Ah! And that is it. We have the Kai Fighter, Grand Sensei Dareth, as well as two awesome Ninjroid figures, and of course, Kai himself, currently inside the fighter. Alright, so that's it for today's build for Toy Surprise Daily. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you can see other awesome builds just like this Kai Fighter. So make sure you guys check that out and you won't want to miss a thing. See you next time.